Welcome back to TL Store, helping you make bricks, one brick at a time. With the Cobblestone Paving Mould from TL Store, you can make elegant, slate-textured cobbles right from your own workspace. Each mold produces 9 cobblestones, perfectly sized at 100 by 100 by 50 millimeters. Before pouring, we apply a release agent to the mold. For the best results, we use the recommended 1-2-3 mix ratio. That's 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 3 parts stone. This mix gives strong, smooth, and weather-resistant cobbles with the perfect balance between durability and texture. The consistency should be like thick porridge. Once ready, we switch on the vibrating table to compact the mix and bring out that natural slate texture finish. We offer tables in 1 meter by 1 meter and 2 meter by 1.3 meter sizes, with or without variable speed control. Power options range from 0.75 kilowatts to 1.5 kilowatts, giving full control over vibration strength and consistency. When vibration is complete, we switch off the table and leave the mold in place to rest. We allow the mold to cure for 24 hours. The next day, we gently remove the cobbles from the mold and admire the clean, detailed slate finish. "11 molds produce 1 square meter. That's 99 cobblestones ready to pave your next project. Perfect for driveways, patios, pathways, and landscaping designs. With TL Store, helping you make bricks, one brick at a time.